In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Robinhood Legend. Robinhood Legend is Robinhood's advanced desktop and web trading platform. It's designed for faster trading, custom layouts, charts, options tools, and multi-window setups. Mainly, it's used by active traders who want more control than the mobile app provides. First, let's talk about how to access Robinhood Legend. If you already have a Robinhood account, start by logging in at Robinhood on the web. Once you're logged in, click on Robinhood Legend. Follow the setup prompts to unlock the platform. This is important because it ensures you have full access to all the advanced features Legend offers. Now, let's move on to understanding the interface. Robinhood Legend is built from widgets, which are essentially blocks you can move around. Some common widgets include charts, which show price action and indicators, a watch list for the stocks you track, an options chain for options trading, a positions widget for your holdings, a scanner to find trade ideas, and a ladder for a fast trading interface. You can drag and resize these widgets to build your own custom layout. This flexibility is key because it allows you to tailor the platform to your trading style. With that ready, let's learn how to place a stock trade. You can trade from almost any widget in Robinhood Legend. If you're using the watch list, hover over a stock and click Trade. Then choose to buy or sell. From the chart, simply click Buy or Sell, and the order form will autofill. Adjust the price and quantity as needed, and then submit the trade. From your positions, click on a position to select Close, Stop, or Limit. This makes sure your trades are executed according to your strategy. Next up is using the ladder for fast trading. The ladder is specifically designed for speed trading. On the left side, you have buy options, while the right side is for sell options. The bottom buttons are for market orders, which allow fast execution. You can click on price levels to place limit or stop orders, plus you can drag orders up or down to adjust the price instantly. This is crucial for making quick decisions in a fast-paced market. After that, let's explore options trading in Legend. In the Options Chain widget, click on the Bid to Sell and click on the Ask to Buy. You can combine multiple strikes to build spreads. Additionally, you can edit the legs inside the order ticket before submitting it. This flexibility allows for more sophisticated trading strategies. Now, let's look at some useful keyboard shortcuts. Shift plus B will buy at market, and Shift plus S will sell at market. Use the / to search stocks quickly. Shift plus Q lets you edit quantity, while Alt or Option plus arrows switch layouts. These shortcuts save time, allowing you to focus more on trading. Finally, let's discuss key features to know. Robinhood Legend offers fully customizable layouts, one-click trading from widgets, real-time charting tools, and the ability to switch between multiple accounts. The latter feature ensures fast execution, and you have access to advanced order types like limit, stop, and multi-leg options. However, be aware of important limitations. Some advanced orders like full bracket or OXO setups may be limited. Options complexity, such as certain spreads, might require manual adjustment. The platform is designed for speed, so mistakes can happen if auto send is enabled. That's all for today's guide on using Robinhood Legend. Happy trading!